up, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Jefe, back with another video here. Just left work, about to rip it up in the fucking Trackhawk on the way home. Hope you guys enjoyed the nice sound of the fucking turbo squealing. We gonna get after it. Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day. Enjoy the fucking video. Man, it's damn near impossible to cut up in that 5 o'clock traffic, boy. Nothing but stop and go, stop and go. Sitting here in that traffic. But that shit nasty as fuck. Now listen to that Gucci Mane. So with the Trackhawk being the all-wheel drive, you can notice a huge difference off the digs. Like when I'm pulling up to a red light and I gas it, like when I have my Scat Pack in the Hellcat, you definitely burn tires. This just takes off 100%, no problem. Man, beautiful day here though. 86 degrees down here in Tampa, Florida. Nice day for a drive. Look, we got the little Christmas trees, you know what it is. Little trees, baby, make the car smell good. Bayside breeze. It smells like a motherfucking hotel in this bitch. I just got this new phone too, the Samsung S23 Ultra. So camera quality is not that bad. I do gotta admit. Look, you can even see the dust and shit on my windshield. So, you know, we got just now hitting close to that 9,000 mile mark.